So I've got the F150 back out just to do another small job, the tailgate seal. Put that on and just up around the edge, try and seal the tailgate a bit better than normal. I've already noticed this looks like it might be in the way, so I'll have to do some trimming maybe on that one. So it should just be an easy install for the afternoon. So join me, sit back, have a beer, and we'll get this done. New wheels in the back of the ute, ready to go. Just waiting for tyres, and we'll get them on soon as well. No point putting the seal in without testing it, is there? First just with the hose, then I'll get the pressure cleaner out and we'll give it another crack. Bit of water in there. Obviously the pressure cleaner is going to be worse, so either I didn't put it on very well or it's not that great, but it's got to be better than nothing. We'll have a crack at the other side of the pressure cleaner just to give it its same thing, a little bit wet in there, definitely better than it would have been. Yeah, until next time.